Today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to apply the UV light tempered glass on your mobile phone. The first step is that your phone should not slip during the application. I will do some mistakes intentionally to teach you that if you are in that situation, what can you do. The second tip is that your phone should be on a plain surface, and why I am saying that I will tell you when I will be applying the adhesive. This is the tempered glass that we are going to use today with this adhesive. Your phone should be cleaned very well, even the dust particles should be removed. The third tip for today is that you can take the dust particles away with a scotch tape. Now I am going to tell you why I told you that the surface should be plain. Let's put the adhesive on the mobile phone. Because of the unplain surface, the adhesive is not staying in the middle of the mobile phone. Intentionally, I have created some bubbles here, but there should be no bubbles left on the adhesive before you put the tempered glass on it. But to show you guys why I am saying this, I will leave a bubble on the adhesive. I am going to put the glass on it. So there you can see there is the bubble. That's why I said that no bubble should be left on the adhesive, but I am going to press the glass and take the bubble out. But normally you don't have to press the glass. Normally the adhesive spreads itself and you just have to put the UV light on it. But because I pressed it, I have to clean the glue. The glue should be cleaned very well before putting UV light on it. Then place this under the UV light for 3 minutes. The application is now finished. As you can see, some of the glue went under the phone, but this is not a problem. We will clean it now. So it is now clean. Let me also clean this side. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. You cannot even see there is a glass on the phone. Thank you for watching my video. We will see you next time. I hope you will subscribe to my channel.